Everyone, happy Friday. We are in the beautiful city of St. Louis, Missouri, working on this 2021 Chevy Trax. You're going to see me cut the tops and the sides, extract the bottom part of the windshield, remove the windshield, remove the old urethane, run primer, run new glue, and set the new windshield. Everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. Go ahead and leave a like, comment. Thank you for all the love and support. And don't forget, be wise and choose wisecrack. Have a fantastic day.